Welcome, in front of me is a Motorola Moto E32s, and today I'll show you how we can insert SIM and SD card into this device. Now before we get started, you'll need to grab one of these things, a SIM eject tool, which comes provided with the device in the box, but if you can't find it, you could use a paper clip, straighten out one of the ends, and it should work just as well. Now once you have one of these, you want to pop out the tray, which is located on the upper left side of the device. Push the pin in, and as you can see, the tray comes out just ever so slightly, enough for you to grab it and yank it out. Now on the tray you have space for 2 dedicated SIM cards and 1 dedicated SD card. Now I will be occupying only one of each, so place the cards on the tray, make sure that they're laying flush on it. As you probably can see, my SIM isn't right now. There we go. They require a little bit of more force to it because it is being held in place. So yeah, now from there we can insert it back into our device. Once you pop the cards back into your phone, they should start working right away. As you can see, SD card is already detected and we have LTE, so SIM card is working as well. So there we go. Now if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.